Hi guys, a very warm welcome. That's Praveen and I'm Maahek here. And yes, we are doing today for you an iced keto green tea.
So when we speak about keto, which means that it has got a good amount of fat to support the complete system of ketogenic diet or lifestyle. So you want to make sure that you are following such a lifestyle of ketogenic to have the one which I'm going to show you today. So let's go, let's have a look.
Green tea, 1 cup lukewarm water, fresh cream, coconut oil, white butter, stevia, ice cubes, blending jar. First, 1 cup green tea, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, 1 tablespoon white butter, 1 tablespoon cold pressed coconut oil, half teaspoon stevia powder, lastly some ice. So our keto ice green tea is ready. So why do we opt for green tea is because green tea has really high concentration of polyphenols that is known as catechins.
So what does it do is that it helps you to metabolize the fat, which means that by having green tea you can minimize the deposition of fats.
Yeah. Green tea is linked to weight loss. So it's an ideal snack for somebody who's following a ketogenic diet and for a mid-time snacking in between. Yes, it's a great option. So all of you all, please try this.
Alright guys, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel because we got videos on nutrition, we got videos on information and on HIIT, that's Train to Look Naked program, which means that you have got all this content that you need to be really fit. So make sure that you go subscribe to the channel, at the same time hit the bell button that you get to know when we have a new video for you guys.
So stay tuned with us, we'll catch you guys soon. Thank you.
In the next video, see you guys.